Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, to my online friends who keep coming back. Thank you very much for your support. If you are new here and you've just come by my channel, you're so welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you a small tutorial. I'm not even sure this is worthy of a video because so many of you have requested after I did last week's video. I will link it at the top here. I showed you how I mixed up my second leg of the hair growth challenge for 3 months, and I put the black rice water leave-in along with Ayurveda powders, and we got a nice deep conditioner. And I showed you what I did, and basically a few of you are confused, so have requested that I actually do a video just showing you what I'm actually doing. For some reason, your people don't know how to put on a deep conditioner. So if you're interested to see how I apply this deep conditioner, let's get straight into this video. So first and foremost, the hair. Look at it, the poppage is so popping. The hair is looking mighty fine. The shine is good. I mean, I know I've put some Mel's Bottom Me Up cream in my hair, and that kind of sorts every kind of dryness out. But generally, look, my hair looks good, as in it's well defined. There's not, I mean, there is frizz, but there's not that much frizz. And it kind of looks like I can still keep going. Like, my hair looks like it doesn't need the wash. But I'm going to do it for you. So just in case if you're not aware, this particular challenge for the next month, this is month 2, we are applying our concoction that we've put together, and we're going to use it every 4 days on rotation. Every 4 days, and today happens to be day 4. So I'm just going to show you. So the last video I mixed up the concoction, and I said that I probably would get 3 to 4 pots of this, and I actually managed to get 3 pots. So I filled them up all the same measurement, so I've got that here. So before I do the application, I feel that it's necessary for me to just let you know about the hair washing thing. So I think that's where the confusion has got. Let me just tell you about Aretha. This baby is a soap nut. Aretha is an Ayurvedic powder that is commonly used to wash or cleanse the hair. So this is why I've put this Ayurveda powder, because remember we're mixing up the black rice leave-in conditioner with Ayurvedic powders, and I just thought if I was going to be doing the deep conditioning every 4 days, I don't want to keep stripping my hair with shampoo. No. So I had to find an alternative. So let me just read it. Granny eyes, okay, so bear with me. It says Aretha is a natural cleanser, okay? It has been used since ages for washing the hair. Light bulb moment, ding. It acts as a natural shampoo. This is a cleanser. It will cleanse and clean my hair. So first of all, I'm going to do what I normally do, which is just to randomly take parts. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the first couple of ones, and then I'm going to speed it up because it's too boring to watch me do it all, the whole lot. So, we're getting it in the roots, and then I'm going to put it all down the rest of the hair. Bearing in mind that for 4 days my hair hasn't really got that much build up, and my scalp wouldn't have had so much build up there either, so maybe my scalp won't be that dirty, but I'm still giving it a good scrub anyway. And once I've done that, just finger to tangle, and then I'm just going to twist it up. And that is all that I'm going to be doing. Oh, I can feel the mint, the peppermint now, humming in my scalp. On to the next part. I'm just going to show you again. Get my area. It doesn't really matter how much I put on, just as long as I get the area and saturate the area with the concoction. Remember, I do not want to strip my hair. I want to add moisture. So washing my hair every 4 days ain't gonna work, girl. No. If you cannot get your hands on a reefer, I would strongly suggest you do some kind of co-washing instead. So just to give it a light finger detangle. Can I say the slip is ridiculous? And then I'm just gonna twist it up. Okay, so now, listen, if I was watching this, I'll be like really bored. So I'm just gonna speed it up, okay? So now the next thing I'm going to do is just lightly mist my hair with some good old water. Yeah, just lightly mist it. Okay. Wrap my hair in cling film. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put a heated cap. I've actually got one of these now. It's got the in there. I've popped it in the microwave already. And yeah, for the first time I'm going to use this, so I'll be keeping this on my head for about 15 minutes. But I did see on the reviews that people said that the heat escapes really quickly, so I'm going to use my brain. I'm going to wrap my head with this towel as well. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it, or somehow, look how beautiful I look, eh? Hey, anyway, 15 minutes and I'll come back. Okay, so I have rinsed it out after being in that heated cap. Let me tell you, that heated cap is legit. I will talk about that in another video, but for now I need you to see, oh, the hair. I need to talk to you. I need to talk you through this. First of all, the softness of the hair is incredible. I think it's fair to say my hair feels even softer and stronger. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I'm telling you no lie. I tell the truth and the whole truth. You know when you put masks on your hair that are powder based, like if you've done henna before, henna rinses or henna powder or amla powder, when you put powder on your hair and you rinse it off, your hair needs to be conditioned. It looks kind of dry, maybe stripped. Look at my hair. Shine is real. That's real. That's shine. Without any males butting me up in my hair, any leave-in conditioner. So my hair is definitely moisturized. It is moisturized on a 100 level. So a few things I need to say about this as my hair dries, because it's high porosity. It will probably dry by the time this video is finished. So the reason why I didn't detangle my hair with my Remington electric detangling brush, I'll link that video up here in a card if you want to see how that works on my hair. As you know, I'm converted. I love that tool. I didn't need to because 4 days ago I detangled my hair and I just didn't want too much manipulation. The other thing I was going to say is I didn't apply it on clean hair. Remember, the aretha in this concoction is a soap nut, so it's going to cleanse my scalp. It's going to clean my hair of any debris or any build-up that I may have. But I did lightly spray my hair with water after I put on this. And the reason for that is just because I wanted this to be absorbed in my hair the most. If I'd wet my hair down, if I damped my hair, the water would have soaked up in my hair more, and I really wanted this concoction to fill up my hair strands. I wanted that concoction to be the main ingredient that's feeding my hair than water. So the main reason for me putting on the water was just so that it could help with the steaming process when I put the heated cap on, just to help it really give myself a deep condition. And by the way, deep condition is only a deep condition when you put heat on it. Okay. The other thing I was going to say is I'm not sure what it's like for you if you've mixed these powders together. My powder had a lot of, it's very grainy, it's quite bitty. It took a little while to rinse it out. I almost wish I measured my hair now because I've got a feeling that my hair is going to grow fast again. So I think that rounds it up. I'm pretty sure I have answered all your questions now and made it completely clear that it's 4 days on a rotation for the next month. I'm hoping that it has answered any of your questions and give complete clarity on the confusion that you guys seem to have. So as always, guys, thank you so much. I so appreciate your time. I would like to also invite you guys to follow me on the gram, because it's there that I update daily on my Insta stories. There we can have more interaction, you know, more interaction. That's what we like, eh? So guys, I'm going now. I will see you again in my next video. You take care. God bless you. Bye.